index false, right? Okay. So we keep doing this, and then now we want to remove them from both the bounding boxes and the scores. So what we do is scores equals to scores mask. So this way, effectively remove those items we've already processed from this respective list. So we'll do the same thing for bounding boxes, BB boxes, mask. All right. Okay. And then at the end, we want to return the final list of unique bounding boxes. All right. And I'm going to run this to make sure we have no syntax errors. Oops. Okay. Let's run this. Run this one. And yay, we have no syntax error. And I think that's it for non-maximum suppression. Pretty much. For coding, what I've learned in my coding journey is understanding what each code is supposed to do for you. That way you don't have to cram it. All right. And vibe coding is really good. I have no problem with vibe coding, but the thing is, when you go for coding interviews, you don't have ChatGPT, you don't have Lovable, you don't have all of those AIs to write your code for you during a coding interview. You need to code from your head, right? So this is the reason why you need to keep learning how to code and understand concept, understand what you're supposed to code so you don't have to cram things, all right? So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this coding video. I hope you now understand what intersection of a union and non-maximum suppression means in object detection. Object detection is a very important field. It powers a lot of tasks. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, new and old. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. I'm everywhere. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.